Chicago. What's poppin'?
All right. So, Blackout, why don't you go ahead and tell the people a little bit about you and your contribution to hip hop, what you plan on giving to hip hop.
Well, I got a natural love of all martial arts, particularly Japan, and I want to combine my love for Japan, martial arts, the culture, history, into my love of hip hop. You know, drop a few rhymes, English, Japanese. If I could spark the catalyst to get other people to rhyme in other languages, step outside the box, listen and make music in other languages, you know.
All right, that's cool. So, man, just so that everybody knows, he will be appearing on the Working Class Hero album dropping in January. Have a very special track for him. This is going to be his MC debut. I've heard some of his spoken word. I've heard some of his verses. I think that he's ready, and I think that everybody will really enjoy him. So, why don't you go ahead and tell us a little bit about that influence of yours as far as the Japanese culture and the martial arts, and also explain to me how these two worlds merge into hip-hop.
Okay, well, I mean, everybody who knows me knows I'm really big into ninjas. I got a ninja tattooed on my arm, shinobi tattooed on the other shoulder. It starts from when, I was born in the 80s, so everybody in the 80s who came up would understand, you know, it was ninjas everywhere, TV, cartoons, movies, so naturally I gravitated towards it. But instead of going into the martial arts right away, it actually got me into drawing, because so I'm an artist first and foremost. So whether it's martial arts, whether it's drawing, whether it's music, writing poetry, I'm primarily an artist. So from drawing, I got into the martial arts and then got into hip hop. So I decided to, since I studied the Japanese language, if I could combine the English and the Japanese languages together to create something different.
That sounds great. Now let me ask you something.